Hello guys, so our recipe for today is I going to cook leftover salmon sinigang. And here's our ingredients. Leftover fried salmon with teriyaki sauce, fresh shrimps, okra, long green chili, pechay, sliced ginger and shallot, sinigang mix powder, and magic sarap. And let it wash the leftover salmon fish. Boil a water at least 1 1/2 cups. Put the ginger and onions and let it boil. Now it's boiling and add the vegetables. Add the sinigang mix powder. Mix and dissolve well. Cover and let it cook the vegetables. Put fish sauce to taste. The vegetable is cooked now. Add the shrimps and add the salmon fish. Add magic sarap. Cover it and simmer for 2 minutes. And now it's done. Yeah, it's lunchtime. Let's eat.